Hello everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn about 10 simple steps to decor your living room with minimum effort, with minimum time required, and with minimum budget. So let's get started. But before that, let me tell you that just stay with me till the end and you are going to get a special gift from my side that is promised. So let's begin our journey. Hi, my name is Rutu Amalia and I'm an interior designer and I'm on mission to help more than 100,000 women to beautify their home with simple concepts of holistic interior designing. So in this video, you are going to learn about 10 simple steps. By applying these steps, you can save your time, you can save your energy, and you can save even lots of money to decor your home. So how to design your home instantly like a pro? The first step is to declutter your space. Yes, exactly. Especially a living room is a place that we just relax with our family and loved ones. We spend our leisure time and we welcome our guest. So it is the most crucial space of our house. It should be uh, very decluttered, and it will not only give a good impression to others, but it will also give you a peace of mind, and you can focus on more on spending time with your own self, spending time with your family members, and rather than just going after chores of household things and all that. So first step is declutter. After that, you can always rearrange your furniture. Like, I'm that kind of a person. I usually get bored with same kind of furniture layouts and arrangements. So what I do, I keep on changing the direction of my dining table, or um, I just change my flower vase to one place from other place. So you can always think of the options, and you can always plan to arrange or rearrange your furniture, and it will always give a fresh look to your interiors. You can change or add cushion. It is a very budget friendly tip that I can give. It is not possible to change your sofa upholstery now and then, but you can always add some kind of cushion covers that are very colorful, that are feeling like giving you a feeling of coziness and all that. And it is my favorite thing that I always do, that I keep two or three types of sets for cushion cover, so that it will always give me a different kind of mood and ambience. So here I will give you one secret tip. Use one or two cushion covers that are very eye catchy. It can be of golden, just this type of glittering shade. It can be silver, or it can be of a very different kind of texture, or maybe a fur type or whatever. It will always give your interior a rich look. It will create focus accent in your interior, and it will enhance like a fun type of mood in your living room. So you can always try this out. And the most important tip, by while selecting cushion covers and your curtains, it should always be in a matching situation. So plan in advance, go for cushion covers and just match that to your curtains, and always keep this point in mind that never go for a hard shades or colors. It will always uh, it will always give your living room a kind of a very small space type of ambience, right? So we don't want our living room to look like a small space. We just look that our living room interior should be a very spacious, and it should be very calm and peaceful environment, right? So just apply this concept, use very light shades for your curtains, and overall interior, you can always use 10, 20, maximum 30% of dark shades in whatever sense you want to use. Maybe you can use in cushion covers of dark shades. Maybe you can use flower vase, or maybe you can use flower sticks of dark shade, whatever thing. but never use dark shades more than 30% in your interior. In this photo, you can also see that it is match with the cushion, the silver theme, right? And the beige theme. So it will always create harmony in your interior. Pick one color and just keep on repeating, but don't overuse it. Use in a decent way. As I just mentioned that 10, 20, 30%. It should be a repetition in overall theme, right? Use sheer curtains in your living room. It is the best thing you can always try. And I just love sheer curtain. Why? Because in my own residence, I have that Roman curtain. And along with that, I have also installed sheer curtains, because that Roman will always give me a blackout thing. Like it will not allow sunlight, or even it will not allow people to look inside my house, right? So it is also required because we are living in India. We have very hot climate, many months. But you can always use sheer curtain along with that. Sheer curtain means translucent. It will give you air. It will give, like, it will enhance air ventilation. It will also give you natural sunlight, that is very essential for our overall well-being also, as well as our mental health also. And it will always give you privacy, because it will not allow a person who is standing outside to look or peep inside what the things are going on in your living room, right? So you can always try this out. And just I want to mention here that please comment on the box, like what tips you really like and what you really implemented or you want to implement but you are getting confused or whatever. Please share in comment. I will personally message you. I will personally reply you, and I will love to read all of your comments. Right. So let's move to the next step. It's a step number 5 or tip number 5. It is that decorate your attached gallery. If you are staying in apartment, or you can always decorate your gallery, give it a very special and natural look. You can always use artificial grass carpet. It is not that much costly, but it will instantly enhance the ambience of your room. So all the tips here I shared are very easy to implement and very budget friendly, right? You can just try that out and share with me. And in your gallery you can also use natural plants. Have some this type of sitting, where you can sit, have a cup of coffee or tea, and you can just enjoy your me time, your special me time that I really spend with me every day, with my green tea and having some music or what kind of a thing. And it is very helpful to maintain your health also, because you are getting natural light also, right? So always use these natural sources which we already have. And use live plants in your interiors also. You can use two type of plant. In this photo you can see that one is of the bigger height, right? It is a normal indoor plant. And you can also use this small succulent plant, and I use it very oftenly. I have this, you can see in my background, right? I have one on my dining table. I have one in my living room window, because I have 3-4 inch space. So uh, I have made that proper. I have utilized that space for keeping my planters, and I just enjoy to look at the fresh leaves, and it really enhance your mental well-being as well as physical well-being. So you can always use this, and I must say that you should use live plants. It is very that, like, I can say cheap option, but it is very valuable one, right? Just try it out and give your feedback after you implement this, right? And in your overall interior, like the tip number 7 is, in your overall interior use some eye catchy things. Like in this photo you can see that shiny object, like one or two, right? It can be your planter of maybe chrome or golden or silver finish. It can be this type of small planter or pots. It can be your a unique kind of picture frame also, right? So use eye catchy elements in your interior, but don't overdo that. Only one or two things are sufficient. If you keep on adding so many focal points like eye catching things in your interior, it will be like a, I can say, at home store, not your home, right? So don't do that mistake. Just use 10 to 20% of overall interior mass. Like in simple words, I can say, just use one, two eye catching things in your interior, nothing more than that, right? So now we will go to the next step. The step number 8 is use corner plants. Nowadays, so many different kind of planters or plant stands are available even on Amazon also. You can just search out that. You can use corner lamps also, and you can use picture frames. Just don't be like, this is my personal this is my personal sharing. You must not be agree with me or you can also agree with me that we are actually living in a, walls of bricks and furniture of plywood and everything. Just add, just add some kind of natural elements also in your interior, like plants, or have a some kind of fountain also, right? We have that small fountain that is available on Amazon also. And use some lively things like picture frames, beautiful. Always keep in mind, don't select the things that are common. Always try to dare to select something extraordinary. It will speak about your personality, and it requires some kind of daring, I know, but your guest will be surprised and amazed that how wonderfully you can decor your home by your own, right? In any step, if you find difficulty, if you find any kind of guidance, just comment below and stay with me till the end. As I have promised, there is one surprise gift for you, right? On the step number 9, use carpets to make space more cozy. It can be of a small size, it can be of a big size, but some kind of carpet or rugs can always enhance the interior of your house. It will give a rich look, a fresh look, a cozy look. You can also sit with your kids, or maybe in this picture, as we can see, with your loved ones on the carpet. Have that kind of environment at your home. Read a book or play with your kid by sitting on the carpet, and by that way you can stay connected with our old culture of sitting on the floor. That is very, very essential. I have all personally applied this philosophy in my life, and because of that my child is also very active. Because we always sit on sofa, and it ruins everything. We become lazy, or we have bad body posture and like that. So this is a different thing that I have shared. You can avoid or you can accept, that's your choice. And in this photo also, you can see how beautifully the carpet has been used, and it requires not that much kind of money, not that much kind of effort or expertise. Yeah, expertise is required. Like I have said, that you need to maintain harmony of colors throughout your interior. It should be not like one thing you have pick up red, one thing is blue and something like that. Like in this picture you can see the white thing and the green thing is keep on repeating and throughout the interior, right? So that is the thing. And the last tip, which is my favorite one, is use the natural essential oils with diffuser in your living room. You can you can use it every day, and use it especially on some special occasions, or whenever your guests are coming. Use it definitely. It will enhance your mood or your guest mood or the impression 70-80%, right? Just experience this, and I am really very hopeful, and I am very excited to read all of your comments. So please share which kind of thing you want to apply or implement, and what what is your experience with from this video, right? And The last thing that I want to share is happy decorating. Yeah, don't feel alone. I am with you. I am on mission to help more than 100,000 women to beautify their home by creating a community. And to join that community, here is the gift. You all can be part of my special VIP group. It is a closed group, it is a private group. And to enter into that group, you need to click on the link that is mentioned in the description. Just click on that link. Here is a second free gift for you. It is a self-assessment tool that is already there. Just fill your email ID, phone number, and it will be yours. And it is very useful to bring out the awareness why we need interior designing in our day-to-day life. And along with that, you will get a link to join my Facebook VIP group. So just ask your question in Facebook VIP group, and after some days we will have some live sessions also. And in that session I will be answering all of your questions and queries. And as I said that I'm on mission to bring this awareness that house is a beautiful place to live in. So join in with my mission. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, especially what you really like or what you want to learn from me or know from me, right? Put out your feedbacks also, and comment especially, and subscribe to my channel and share with maximum people you want to help with or you want to share with. See you then. Bye bye.